This is an unboxing and review of Hughes Autoformer's Power Watchdog Smart Surge Protector with EPO. Go ahead and open it. Very nice box. Makes it great for restoring it. Owner's manual. And the unit itself. As soon as the unit's plugged into Shoreline, if there's no problems, this dog will light up all white. If there is an issue, he's going to light up red, so you instantly know that there's a problem and you need to check it out. When connected to your smartphone, it will notify your phone of any abnormal power conditions that occur, which is great. If you're inside the coach and there's something going on, your phone's going to tell you you can go out there and hurry up and disconnect, or check to see what the problem is. If there is a problem, it automatically will disconnect the RV from any dangerous conditions that occur. The Watchdog automatically restarts when conditions are safe. A full description of faulty conditions appear on your phone. Code appears on the Watchdog unit. So when a code comes up, it's going to show right here. Only surge protector with a replaceable module. The Watchdog also helps you balance your RV loads using their free app. Setting up the unit to pair with your phone is quite easy, as long as you have an app with a barcode reader. Once it's installed, click on it. It's going to load. Now, of course, we're not hooked up to anything, so it's not going to be able to find our device. But I'll show you what it looks like when it is connected. One thing that's unique about this power surge protector is if lightning were to strike and there was an issue, it's going to prevent anything happening to your coach. The unit itself will take the load, and like most units, you're going to have to then throw it out because it's gone. Not on this unit. This is a replaceable module, so you just take the top off and you can replace that, no issues. That's very unique. No one else has done that yet, and I think that's totally awesome. One of the things that we couldn't do was cause an error. If you want to see what happens when there's an error, power failure, or anything of that sort, go on over to RV Geeks. They went over to the factory and did a great video on the whole entire process, how it was built, you know, and then they put it through different tests to see what would happen if there was a fault, which is awesome. We don't have that capabilities, so I'm going to put a link in our description below, and go on and check them out, because you know, that way you can actually see what's going to happen if the unit does have a problem when you're camping. I've also put a direct link below to the manufacturer, that way you guys can get more information, and if you are looking to purchase one, you can check the different models. You know, again, they have 30 amp, 50 amp, and then there's other models, not just this one. Well, that just about does it for our unboxing and short review of the Hughes Watchdog Power Surge Protector. Have any questions? Feel free to comment below. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy trails.